In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find by GTA 5 on Steam. We'll walk through finding the official game page, completing your purchase securely, and getting the game installed and ready to play. Start by opening Steam on your computer. From the top navigation, go to the store. At the top of the store page you'll see the search bar. Type GTA 5 or Grand Theft Auto 5 and press enter to see the results. Look for the official listing from Rockstar Games. On some pages you may see editions labeled Grand Theft Auto 5, Enhanced, or Legacy. Click the main game page to open the full details. This is a good moment to glance at the description, system requirements, supported languages, and recent reviews so you know what you're getting. Also confirm you're signed into the Steam account where you want the game to live, since purchases are attached to that account. Checking the publisher field is a quick way to avoid unofficial listings. It should show Rockstar Games. If multiple editions are shown, check what each includes to be sure you're choosing the one you want. When you're ready, click Add to Cart. Steam will confirm the item has been added. Go to your cart using the cart icon, review the price and any taxes, and then proceed to checkout. Prices display in your local currency, and regional taxes may apply. Choose your preferred payment method, enter your billing details, and confirm the purchase. Make sure your billing info matches your account region to avoid errors. If you're curious about flexibility, Steam offers a straightforward refund policy for most games within 14 days and under 2 hours of playtime. Once the payment goes through, Steam will send a receipt and the game will be added to your account. After the purchase, GTA 5 will appear in your library automatically. Open your library, select Grand Theft Auto 5, and click Install. Choose an install location with enough free space, then confirm. If storage is tight, you can pick a different drive from the install options. The download size is large, so the time it takes will depend on your internet speed. You can let Steam download in the background and pause or resume as needed from the download section. During first launch, the Rockstar Games launcher will open and you'll be prompted to sign in to access online features. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete that sign-in. Steam will keep GTA 5 up to date automatically, so future patches download on their own. Once that's done, you'll be ready to play. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.